All our templates are on the 1 to 10 scale. We ask that you design on the templates we provide to ensure your design is printed correctly. If you have elements that need to be rescaled to fit our templates, we will be going over how to do so in this video. First, you can select the object and then go to the Object tab on the top left, then Transform, then Scale. A window will now appear. Make sure Uniform is selected and type in 10%. Press OK. This will make the object 10% of its original size. Another way you can scale the element is by first selecting the object. You should now see a box outline appear around it. This is known as the bounding box. With your mouse, you can click and hold any of the corners of the bounding box and drag your mouse around. The object will scale based on where your mouse is positioned. If you hold the Shift key as you move the mouse around, the object will scale evenly. These are the two ways you can scale elements or your design on our templates. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe for more trade show content.